and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. It's that time of year again. It's almost market season. And my first market is April 18th. So it's time to do some more of my best sellers, which are the switch covers. So what you didn't see is me taping up the back, sanding them down. Now I'm wiping them off with 99% isopropyl alcohol to make sure all dust and finger oils, even though I'm touching it again, which is not a big deal until like resin time, but it won't affect the paint whatsoever. But you just try to wipe them off as much as possible. So just for time's sake, and this video actually ended up being much longer than it should be, I did speed it up a little bit to just save a little bit of time, especially when it's just, those parts where I'm just putting out the paint and not much real detail going on. Maybe some swipes, but then you get to see, the magic of the cell activator and little sped up time, and I'd love watching that part. Who doesn't, right? So let me throw on some music. You can sit back and relax, enjoy the fun, have one little one little mishap along the way, but you learn to just roll with the punches as you go. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side. Oh my god! Son of a... Okay, for the record, that's pretty too. Just saying. look, I've got all this paint laying on my spinner. What do I do with it? Well, why not just add a little bit more and make some skins? It's brilliant. I'm gonna have to do some more jewelry and make some more magnets. I don't want to waste any paint, so we'll just make this into something absolutely stunning, if I do say so myself, and make some stuff with it. I don't think I will ever get bored doing these switch covers. I don't think I'll ever get bored of these neon paints. I don't think I'll ever get bored of the shimmer of that gold. Oh, so much fun. There's so many different designs that you can do with these. And I always have to start with my neons because, well, you know I love my neons. And this skin, oh my gosh, these colors, wow. The jewelry and the magnets I'm going to be able to make out of this thing is going to be amazing. I mean, I love so many pieces of it. That up there, this section in through here. Oh, I love that. That's probably my favorite right there. The whole area. That and there. Oh my goodness. The rose in the middle. So much fun. I hope you had as much fun watching as I had making them. Forgot about the black light. I wanted to show you, of course, how they glow in the dark, and then, or not glow in the black light. And then there it is without the black light, back with the black light, just so you can get an idea of just how much these things glow. UV reactive, my favorite. Thank you so much for watching, all you wonderful, wonderful people. You know I love and appreciate you every week watching my videos. If you get a chance, please like, comment, and subscribe because it's free and it really does help me out and it will help my channel grow, and I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And if you happen to live in the Erie, Pennsylvania area, I have officially booked my next two sip and pours. I am teaming up with a local winery, Driftwood Wine Cellars and Driftwood Wine Cellars West Side. One here in Northeast Pennsylvania, the actual town of Northeast Pennsylvania. It's in Erie County. The other one at their winery on the west side of Erie. So here's my flyers. Check it out. Make a reservation if you are in the area. I'd love to see you. And yeah, as always, my wonderful friends, keep creating. Have a great day. Bye.